Why? We can put a candle on there for Benny. So that can be like a cake. It's really hard to get the ice on.
That's alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benny. Happy birthday to you. Ben, Benny. Yay! Oh my gosh. Careful.
Let me get on there.
Woo, blow it, guys. Happy birthday, Benny.
Maggie, wanna blow
Maggie, blow it. Maggie, blow some.
So blow.
Yay! You can have a cake in August on your birthday. Oh.
Yours.
Good boy, Benny. Benny.
Jeffy.
Come on.
Oh, what you got, Benny?
Yeah, right.
Oh.
Mum, look, this is coming off. The free, Mum. Mum.
No.
Jeffy, no.
No.
Oh. No, Jeffy.
I mean, I'm going to eat the sponge.
Come on, Benny. Eat it before your brother gets it.
Mum, this is coming off.
That's okay. Put it on his head then. Let's have a look, Benny. Benny.
Let's do some more.
This Daddy's one. Is that Daddy's one?
No.
Daddy's one?
No.
Daddy's one?
No.
Oh. So the new kind of like eating tactic with Maggie to try and get them to eat her meals is she's like at that stage now where you can say to her you're going to eat her food and she'll be like, no, I want it. So it's like we're at that stage, so still managing to get her to eat food through that simple tactic. Also, excuse the non-cushion sofa cover thing. Maggie didn't have a nappy on and decided to wee all over it, so it's in the wash. Is this Daddy's one? Daddy's one?
No.
Oh.
But you can't pick yourself.
One.
Oh. Nice? Nice. Nice. Ready? Doggies are back from a day at doggy daycare as a treat for Ben's birthday. They've been on like 3 walks a day with a dog walker. They're both pretty tired, but in typical spaniel fashion, they still have more energy than I thought. I'm a little bit out of breath, not because of the dogs, but just sitting down. Well, not sitting down. I'm just doing a workout at home around the kids. Peppa Pig is still on. Peppa Pig's been on all day. So yeah, the boys got treated to a cheeky little day at doggy daycare. Lots of walks. Spent the whole day with like 7 other dogs, especially for Ben's birthday. And apparently they were good boys, weren't you, Jeffy? Was you a good boy, Benny? Was you a good boy? Maggie's got one of these M&S. Oh, you want a kiss? M&S, like kids meal things. They're brilliant. She loves them. Arthur is like the pasta king. Just loves pasta. Pasta pretty much 2 or 3 times a day with cucumber and then maybe some like chicken goujons or chicken nuggets, or he's the like blandest eater ever. and then a bit of fruit. Maggie's telling the dogs off because Ben's staring at her dinner. And then I'm going to get a little workout in just around this. Katie's gone to the supermarket to do the weekly shop, so I've just got to do everything and work out around it as best as I can. Okay, so workout all done, and all these workouts that I do at home, and like that workout you just saw there, all of those are from the Fitness Dad community training programs. So the home minimal kit program, which basically is dumbbells, kettlebells, resistance bands, you know, dumbbells or kettlebells, resistance bands, or do you know what I mean? So that workout I just did there was I only used dumbbells and kettlebells, but you could use the same kind of weight if you only have a small range of things. I used the D-ball for the calf raises at the end. So like that's a variation of calf raises that you saw me leaning over, like the puff, that really targets the gastrocnemius or whatever it's called, the gastrocs basically. But it's a very good way. It's okay. Jeff, leave it. Dog's chewing something, cardboard or something. It's a very good way of targeting those. So I use the D-ball because it's a little bit softer and just fits across the knees and easier to move. But if I only had the dumbbells, I'd use the dumbbell across there as well. So all of those exercises, that was a particular workout from the Fitness Dad community minimal kit program, which you can get a 7-day free trial on. Link in the bio, to join the community, 7 days for free. Try it out. So workout's done, pretty sweaty. And obviously it's just trying to do your best. Like that workout probably took me longer than it normally would if I was just doing that workout on my own, because I'm like feeding kids, tidying up, letting dogs out, like doing all that parenting stuff around that workout as well. So it's not purely just the workout. Whew, sweaty. The end of today's vlog. Just about to sit down, do a little bit of work, just about to have dinner, which is a tuna wrap, tuna, mayonnaise, and a little bit of peri-peri sauce in it with some spinach. Amazing, quick, easy, because Katie's only just got back from doing the food shop and it's like 9:30 at night, so it's just quick and easy. Kids are in bed. But do you know what? One major find today was rocket lollies. 41 calories a lolly. Now what's good about that is that it's going to take you a while to consume that as well. So as a dessert, it's a pretty decent little thing. Takes you a while to eat it. It's only 41 calories. It's a win-win. So that's it. Ben's birthday, 3 years old, little home workout. That's today's vlog done and dusted, and I'll see you guys. Oh, before I do that, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because it massively helps everybody. Helps you because you get to watch me, and you know, who wouldn't want to do that? And you get to chill with my family, again, pretty cool. And it helps me because it just means that you like me. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.